warning is more than a warning.
Blah blah black sheep, have you any soul? No sir, by the way, what the hell are morals? Check be nimble, check be quick. Drill's a little whore and her alibis are turning tricks. So could you tell me how you're sleeping easy, how you're only thinking of yourself? Show me how you justify telling all your lies like second nature. Listen, mark my words like David. You will pay, you will pay. Karma's gonna come collect your debts. Where you stalk your prey with criminal mentality. You sink your teeth into the people you depend on, infecting everyone. You're quite the problem. B504, better run and hide. I smell the blood of a petty little coward. Jack beneath the Jack be slick. You believe you're lonely, dying in that filthy ditch. So could you tell me how you're sleeping easy, how you're only thinking of yourself? Show me how you justify telling all your lies like second nature. Listen, mark my words like David. You will pay, you will pay. Karma's gonna come collect your debts. Maybe you'll change, abandon all your wicked ways. Make amends and start anew again. Maybe you'll see all the wrongs you did to me and start all over, start all. Oh my god, who am I kidding? Now let's not get overzealous here. You've always been a huge piece of shit. If I could kill you, I would, but it's frowned upon in all 50 states. Having said that, burn it